Thinking about getting into investing but not sure where to start? Have you heard of Acorns and Stash and wondered which one is going to grow your money faster? It's a common question, and today we're breaking it down. On the surface, Acorns and Stash seem pretty similar. They're both micro-investing apps designed for beginners. They both let you invest your spare change with their roundup features, and they both offer a variety of accounts, from taxable brokerage accounts to IRAs. But under the hood, they are fundamentally different, and that difference is what dictates which one might get you to your goals faster. Let's start with Acorns. Acorns is the king of set it and forget it. When you sign up, you answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Acorns then puts your money into one of their pre-built, expert-designed portfolios, which are made up of low-cost ETFs. You can't pick individual stocks. Acorns handles the rebalancing and the heavy lifting for you. It's truly a passive approach. Now, Stash is a bit different. While it offers a similar managed portfolio option, its real selling point is choice. With Stash, you can choose to invest in over 3,800 individual stocks and ETFs. Stash also provides educational content to help you make informed decisions. So, while you can be hands-off with Stash's smart portfolios, you also have the option to be more hands-on and build your own portfolio. This might be better for someone who wants to learn more and have more control. So, which one grows money faster? The short answer is, it's not about the app, it's about the investments and your behavior. Neither app has some secret sauce that magically makes your money grow faster. The performance of your portfolio is based on the performance of the underlying assets, the stocks and ETFs you're invested in. However, the differences in their models do influence potential growth. Acorns' automated, diversified portfolios are designed for steady, long-term growth by reducing risk. Stash's model offers the potential for higher returns if you pick winning individual stocks, but it also comes with the risk of greater losses. For example, a Stash user who puts all their money into a single tech stock could see huge gains or huge losses. An Acorns user in a similarly aggressive portfolio will have their money spread across many stocks, making it less volatile. Fees are also a factor. Both have a subscription-based fee structure. Acorns is typically a flat monthly fee, while Stash's plans are also monthly. The key is to see how those fees stack up against your balance. For a small account, a flat monthly fee can be a significant percentage of your total investment. For instance, a $3 monthly fee on a $100 account is an annual fee of 36%, which will make it incredibly difficult to grow. Ultimately, the app that grows your money faster is the one that best suits your investing style and keeps you investing consistently. If you're a true beginner who wants to get started with zero fuss and zero knowledge, Acorns might be better for its simplicity and automation. If you're an aspiring investor who wants to learn and have more say in where your money goes, Stash is a better fit. The best app is the one you actually use. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.